Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I'm also fine. That's why I express my great gratitude to Almighty Allah, and I have to say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, and Alhamdulillah. By dint of Allah, I'm making video in front of you. Sometimes I upload these types of videos in different types of platforms. Today I want to discuss about my English learning journey. Sometimes many people raise a question: when you start to speak English, and which procedure do you maintain, and what's the motivation for learning English? In this video I'll try to clear all these types of questions. To share my journey with telling a story, I come from the Kurigram districts, and in most of the people of our districts are illiterate, but some people still now struggling because there is not good institution in these districts. But most recently our government take initiative to set up one agriculture university, and this is the best achievement for all the Kurigram districts people, because they can easily access in this university according to their quality. Okay, and I have also completed my graduation and post graduation degree from Dhaka University. So one day I went to my village, and beside my house, so where stayed one of my brother, and he is really a decent man, and he is also intellectual man, and he also completed his graduation and post graduation degree from National University in English department. So sometimes we discuss with him various types of issue. It's included political issue or economic issue or international issue also. So he always tried to speak in English, but I didn't speak in English. So instead of speaking English, I always say yes, no, and it's a good and it's a bad sign. And I always try to speak in English with a simple sentence. So one day we went to a tea stall, and my brother also tried to speak in English, but I always say yes, no, and it's a good, it's a bad sign, and maybe I couldn't speak in English. So the tea seller said that just stop. Maybe these people can't speak in English. Why you are using English with him? And on that time I thought it's a really bad sign, and I instead I take decision. I have to speak in English without any cost. That's why from this time I'm trying to speak English, and I'm making video, and I also upload these videos in the groups, and most of the people give valuable comment in my comment box, and these comments make me motivated me to make videos and etc.